going to show you some finishing tips using the texturizing shears on a one length haircut. So we just did our one length haircut on our little girl here. And sometimes you just want a little bit more movement. Maybe her hair's really thick. Maybe it's just laying too blunt. Here's what I would do. Take your texturizing shears. I would go in vertically into my haircut, hold them up, and you know that tip I keep telling you about, or maybe you haven't got to that far yet, about taking that little tiny tip off of a one length haircut, that tip right there, and then it'll curve under really nice. Same concept with your thinning shears. We're going to go in vertical sections. This time, let the hair fall from the O bone down, okay? And then what you have left here, which she doesn't have very much hair left right here, but pretend like it's thick. Then I would go in with my thinning shears straight up from that one time. What that's going to do is just loosen up that hair that lives on top, so you get a little bit more movement, but it does not look layered at all. Let that hair drop. You've got this up top. Again, this baby doll does not need her hair thinned, but we're going to pretend because we're learning. Straight up one time. And you do that, you just radiate from the crown of the head, and you do that the whole haircut. Let that drop one time, okay? What that's going to do is it's going to give you some movement at the end without it looking layered, because it's not layered. All you did was texturize the top surface of the ends of the hair. That's all I would do. Now, say she had really, really thick hair and she's wanting to lighten it up. Let me just tell you this. If you went in there with thinning shears and you started hacking up this one length haircut with thinning shears, it would be a mess. Okay? I'm sorry to say. It just would. What I would do if she wanted her hair to feel a little bit lighter, rule of thumbs, the rule of halves, if you get nothing else out of this thinning shear video, the rule of halves. Please do not thin somebody's hair more than halfway the distance to their head from the length of hair. So if length of hair is here, you find the middle of it, find the half of it. You only texturize in this section, not here, only here. If you need a little bit more deeper understanding on how to use your thinning shears, go to my video about thinning shears and it'll tell you everything you need to know. It's a fabulous video. I'm just telling you this for right now. Do not go more than 50% into the hair, okay? But say she has really thick hair. She wants you to lighten it up. You can go in halves. Hold your thinning shears at an angle. I always do an angle because it just makes it softer looking. You don't have to. If you want to go straight up into that hair and pull out, see, you can see where I cut it, right? Then you can do that and it'll still be at an angle and you'll get some movement. And you could do it that way. You could do it throughout her whole head that way. Again, I would let the bottom drop because you want that solid perimeter. It is a one length haircut. Find your halfway mark and then cut it out, okay? That's what I would do. Look, I hope you're finding value with this foundational haircut series. If you are, share it with a friend, share it with a fellow stylist, share it with somebody going through beauty school because it might help them get through, because these are your foundational haircuts that's really going to set you up for a successful career behind the chair. And if your salon doesn't happen to have an educational program, please share this video with your salon owner, because this is a great tool for your salon owner to use in your back room. Tell them, use the whole series. I don't care. Watch my videos in your back room. Use it as your training program. And if you want more information, tell your salon owner to go over to my website or in my show notes. And for less than $100, they can download a program on how to take a brand new hairstylist out of school to be behind the chair, taking clients confidently within 3 months. I break down the whole program that I used to use in my salons, and it makes it easy. Okay, just tell them go over there, tell them to click the show notes, forward them this information. I don't know, just get the word out. Okay, I just really appreciate you being here. I appreciate you taking the time to learn more about your craft, and always remember, when you know better, you do better. Quick question. Do you ever feel overwhelmed trying to train new hires while also running your salon, serving clients, and keeping your team motivated? Yeah, you're not alone. I've been there too. You see, when a new stylist walks in, you want to help them succeed, but without a plan, it becomes chaotic. You're making it up as you go, answering the same questions over and over, and still feeling unsure if they're actually progressing. That's exhausting, and honestly, it holds your whole salon back. That's exactly why I created the Salon Success System, a self-paced online course that shows you how to build a simple, structured, in-salon training program that actually works. This isn't theory. It's the real system I used in my own salons to train brand new graduates and turn them into six-figure stylists. You're going to learn how to onboard new hires with confidence. You're going to learn to structure weekly training sessions that build skills. You're going to learn how to track their progress and keep them growing. You're going to learn how to create mentorship systems within your team. And you're going to learn how to use fun, affordable training strategies that boost morale. It's everything you need to train like a pro without burning yourself out. And the best part? The course is just $97. Yes, for under $100. When you enroll, you'll also get my free bonus, 15 little things that make a big difference. It's a PDF. It's really a cheat sheet of powerful small changes that create huge shifts in your culture, your client experience, and your retention. And once you complete the course, you'll unlock an exclusive offer for 2 of my most powerful salon templates, my education notebook and my employee handbook. And yes, these are the same ones that I use to build my 7-figure salons. So, if you're ready to stop guessing and start training with confidence, click the link below and join the Salon Success System today. Let's build a team that's educated, empowered, and proud to represent your salon. And always remember, when you know better, you do better.